Apple, the tech giant known for sleek design and cutting-edge technology, recently faced an embarrassing stumble. Their artificial intelligence, specifically voice assistants like Siri, struggled to comprehend and respond effectively in Hindi. This failure highlights a critical issue in the world of AI: the need for inclusivity and robust multilingual capabilities. This isn't just about a few missed commands. It's about a digital divide where millions of Hindi speakers feel excluded from the full potential of AI technology. The promise of a seamless, voice-controlled future feels distant when your language isn't properly understood. The situation raises serious questions about Apple's commitment to a truly global market. It also underscores the challenges faced by AI developers in tackling the complexities of human language. This essay delves into the reasons behind Apple's AI failure in Hindi, exploring the technical challenges, user experiences, and potential solutions. In an increasingly interconnected world, the ability to communicate across languages is more critical than ever. AI has the potential to break down these communication barriers, but only if it can understand and respond to the diverse languages spoken globally. Imagine a world where language is no longer a barrier to accessing information, using technology, or connecting with others. This is the promise of multilingual AI. For Hindi speakers, who constitute a significant portion of the global population, having access to AI that understands their language is not a luxury, but a necessity. It's about equal access to information, opportunities, and services. From education and healthcare to commerce and entertainment, AI has the potential to revolutionize various aspects of life. However, this potential can only be fully realized when AI systems are designed with linguistic diversity in mind. Failing to do so risks further marginalizing communities and widening the digital divide. Hindi, with its rich morphology, complex grammar, and diverse dialects, presents a unique set of challenges for AI developers. Unlike English, which has a relatively straightforward sentence structure, Hindi is a highly inflected language. This means the form of a word changes depending on its grammatical function in a sentence. This poses a significant hurdle for AI algorithms that rely on identifying patterns in language data. The fluidity of word order in Hindi sentences further complicates matters. Furthermore, the presence of numerous dialects, each with its unique nuances and variations, adds another layer of complexity. Developing AI that can effectively navigate the intricacies of Hindi requires sophisticated algorithms, extensive datasets, and a deep understanding of the language's nuances. It demands a significant investment of time, resources, and linguistic expertise. Apple's AI stumbled in Hindi due to a combination of factors. One key issue was the lack of sufficient and diverse training data. The language has a wide range of sounds, some of which are not found in English. This can lead to errors in speech recognition, as the AI struggles to accurately transcribe spoken words. Furthermore, Apple's AI seemed ill-equipped to handle the nuances of Hindi grammar and syntax. This resulted in misinterpretations of user commands and nonsensical responses. The failure highlighted the importance of not just translating words, but understanding the cultural context and linguistic nuances of a language.